Hi there, I'm Alina from Alina Craft Studio, and in this video I will testing out a new product and giving my thoughts. Today I'm unboxing the Epic Pour water pitcher. At my home I don't have the opportunity to install a full filtration system directly into the plumbing, so I use a water filter pitcher for years, and my old pitcher started looking worn out, so it was time for upgrade. The first things I noticed with this new pitcher is the design. I really love the clean look and the wooden handle. It makes it feel stylish and modern. The plastic feels strong and high quality, much sturdy than my previous one. The filter is also larger compared to my old pitcher, and I only need to change it every 3 months, which is very convenient. It's also great that you can set up the timer on the lid. After unboxing, I rinsed the pitcher and will test it with water. I like how the filtration process works. It doesn't need pressure. The water just flows naturally through the carbon filter with gravity. The water tastes great, and I can definitely recommend this water filter if you are looking for a simple and reliable way to have clean water at home. Don't forget to use promo code ALINA at checkout to save 15% on your order.